Well, this is Blizzard Part 2. It's February 14th, and it's just not ending, guys. Thanks, Miranda, for stopping by, sis. It's pretty hairy. They've got both of ends of the road closed on Rupert, and I got the food out for the babies today. You know, they're out there doing what they can while this is just really hard on them. Everyone, please pray for the birds, because we sure don't want to lose our songbirds. Sorry about that big blurriness, but you can just see it's coming down pretty hard. I'll go around to the living room, the other window in their living room. Hold on. This is out of the front of my house, and I came home and cleaned this all off. And you know, guys, this is just, I'm ready for a break, because it's just really, it's intense. And the way that this is coming down now is, it's just really scary. Hold on. This is out my front door. And it's just we've got a serious full-blown blizzard going on. And this is the back side of the house. Normally there's the hill that's straight out that way. No, pretty bad visibility. And everything's, it's just really frustrating, because, you know, it's supposed to be this, most of this, we never get stuff like this. This is a storm that the Blue Mountains near Walla Walla should be seeing. And they've steered this storm over us. And Mike Morales, the channel on YouTube, Mike Morales, Moralses, Morales. I've got one on my channel if you want to scroll down and see it. But this guy knows a lot about this stuff. He's talking about it. And in any way, you guys want to look at his channel and take a look, he's got some pretty good information there. Anyway, I guess I'll wrap this up, and you guys take care wherever you are. And bless you always. Peace.